In Makassar, there are also a lot of tourism now. I see a lot of Bole people coming to visit. It's kind of a Bali ID. You have a lot of this kind of cafes in Bali, so I said, let's bring it over to Makassar and bring it here. Yes, the reason why I wanted to start the business in coffee, and especially in a cafe, was because I love to drink coffee myself. I love to hang out at places with a nice ambience, with a nice atmosphere. In my free time, when I travel or when I finish my trainings, healthy food is important for me. Good coffee is important for me. And in Makassar, it was lacking. The place was not really there for a nice cafe which has healthy food. So I spoke with my friends, my partners, Kopi Ujung and William Thanos, and we decided to create this concept in Makassar. For the cafe, that's why we choose to hire staff, applicants I put online, because we wanted to let all my staff speak English and Bahasa. It's very important for me, because there will become foreign people here who don't speak Indonesian. So one of the big requirements for the staff is that they can speak English. So in that case, I also want to stimulate the education of Makassar people, because it's very important to speak English and Indonesian at the same time. Yeah, for the cafe, of course, when you start a business, you invest. And when you invest, you hope that the money is coming back to you. And I opened this cafe not for money or to gain more money or whatever. I just opened it to create a passion, some dream of me to make it reality. And of course, when it's going well, business is helping you to earn more. That's normal. And of course, I have PSM, but for me, I've learned over the years that you should never be independent on one income. You should, as a successful person and businessman, always rely on more sources of income. So the cafe is one of them. Yes, as I mentioned before, the naturalization process is on the way. It's in the middle of the process, so it can be anytime soon that it's going to happen, which will be a dream also coming true for me, to be an Indonesian citizen. And this is one of the things that I can give something back to the people, also from Makassar, to what I've created with my name, and I give it back to the people so people can here actually enjoy in Makassar something of me, something of what I like, something of who I am. And this is just one of the things what I want to achieve after naturalization.